By now you should have completed your drawing of your third angle orthogonal character and scanned it. If you open that in Illustrator, you can then start to trace it. To do this, we need to have a couple of windows open. We need to have our layers. If you can't find them, use the window drop down menu to find your layers. And we also want to have our Pathfinder object tool palette open as well. So I have those here and here. Your scanned illustration, you're going to lock that. So next to the eye, make sure you put the padlock on. And then I want you to create a new layer where you will do your drawing. To do this, we are going to just use your basic rectangle tool, and then you just trace around your object. We only need to do one view. I'd start with the front view. So you trace that, and to change the color, we can switch off the outside stroke. I don't want a line out on the outside of my drawing, and double click on there, and you should be able to pick any color that you would like. And oops. So if you need to, you can edit that. Perhaps we want to cut that shape out of the square. You can draw a shape over the top. You can hold down Shift, select the two objects, and then use your Pathfinder tool to either add the shapes together, to take part of it away, which is what I'm going to do. And you can also split it into sections, or another exclusion option there. Alright, so my character is going to say it has a really simple block on top of another base, and we are going to turn these into our final character. If you hold down Shift for the two objects, we want to group them together. We are going to copy them, edit, copy, make sure you save regularly your files, and we're going to put that in new A4, or actually A3 document. So we're going to make a print document, we're going to make it A3, I want it to be portrait, and I'll click OK. Now I can just paste that in, edit, paste, and I have my character. Hopefully yours is a bit more interesting than this. And I can scale this up, object transform, scale 300%, I'll make it quite a lot bigger, and now I'm going to turn it isometric. So make sure there's no gaps between your objects, and all you need to do, select with your selection tool, one of your arrows, go up to Effect, we want to make it 3D, extrude and bevel, and when the options pop up we should be able to check isometric. We want it to be isometric, and I want it to go back to the right, and you can set the depth of your object, and click preview, you'll be able to see what's happening. So you can see that it's rather thin. I want to make it, I don't know, what was on my document, I think it was maybe 30 millimeters. Get rid of the points, and we hit OK. So it's a lot wider, and you do this for every part in your character. So we go again, Effect, 3D, extrude and bevel. This one I'm going to make quite a lot bigger. Making sure you've got isometric right. Right, so that's my two parts to my character. Make any final adjustments that I need to, and then I might want to put a shadow underneath it. So I could put a simple, I can actually object, expand appearance, and that turns it into shapes, and I can just copy, paste, that underneath it. Use your layers, and I might want to make that slightly lighter. Make it look like there's a shadow underneath. And that is basically how you create your 3D game character.